In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Shopify store link to your Instagram bio. This is a really important step if you're running an online store, because your Instagram profile is often the first place new customers discover you. By the end of this video, anyone who lands on your page will be able to tap a single link and go straight to your shop. Let's start on your Shopify dashboard. Open your browser and log into your Shopify admin the way you normally do. Once you're in, you should see your main dashboard with all your sales, orders, and other store information. We're going to grab your official store link directly from here, so it's accurate and always up to date. Now, look towards the bottom left or the side panel of the dashboard and click on Settings. This will open a new page with a variety of options for your store, like General Settings, Billing, and more. We're not changing anything complicated here. We just need to locate the correct URL that Shopify uses for your store. At the top left of this settings page, you'll see your store name. Just below your store name, there should be a store link. This is the URL that leads directly to your online shop. Carefully highlight that link and copy it. You can use your usual method, right-click and select copy, or use your keyboard shortcut. Make sure you copy the entire link so it works properly later. With that link copied, switch over to Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your phone, or use Instagram in your browser if you prefer. Go to your profile page where you see your profile picture, bio, and posts. Just below your username, there's an option that says Edit Profile. Tap or click on Edit Profile to open your profile settings. Inside your profile settings, scroll until you find the bio field. This is the text that appears right under your name on your profile page, and it's where most people place their website or call to action. Tap into the bio field and paste the Shopify link you copied from your dashboard. You can leave it as just the link, or you can add a short phrase before it, like shop here, followed by the URL. Once you're happy with how it looks, scroll down and tap Save. Instagram will update your profile and your Shopify store link will now appear in your bio. To double check, go back to your profile and tap the link to make sure it opens your store correctly. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected directly to your Instagram bio.